Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to institute the heat map plugin on a specified camera. What you'll do is you'll go select the camera that you'd like to institute your plugin on. Right-click on that camera, go down to Camera Settings. From there, you'll navigate over to the Plugins tab, select Piko Analytics, and what you'll do is you'll turn that on. From there, you'll go down to Heat Map. What you'll see is an Enable Heat Map button up at the top. You'll click that, and then also if you'd like to use person detection, you can do that as well. You'll select your sensitivity and quality. Quality can go from bad to really poor. We always like to select medium as a standard operating procedure. You'll select the sensitivity, the sharpness, and also the themes. Themes are different color patterns on the heat map itself. The Inferno and Ocean are the standard ones that we suggest most people use. From there, you go down, you can select a daily heat map email or a weekly heat map email. You'll enable that. You'll select the time frame that you'd like to receive the heat map from. So this is a 24-hour heat map. Here you'll enter your information, you'll select Apply, OK, and you'll start to receive those heat maps. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.